Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today we will learn about mathematics, and in mathematics we will learn about highest common factors. So please do not forget to subscribe us and do not forget to listen it carefully and listen my whole video. You will learn a lot of things in my video. Now I am starting to solve this. In this topic we will learn about highest common factors. What are highest common factors? Many of people don't know how to solve the highest common factors, so I am telling you about highest common factors. In this, for example, we have a problem 12 and 30. We will solve this. First of all, I have used the small table first, then second, then third. And that we have to use small table first, because in the small table there is a sequence, and the sequence cannot be destroyed. Now I have solved that 12 and 30. I am finding the highest common factor of 12 and 30. I have solved this by taking LCM of these two. Now I have 2 6 12 and 2 3 6, and I have in the second the table after 2 there is the table 3, and 3 1 3. Now I have chosen the 30. I have chosen 30 15 to the 30 and 33 5 3 the 15. Now I have chosen the table of 5, and there is no more tables which are useful for 5. So I have used the own table of 5 on itself. Now 5 1 the 5. Now 12 is equal to 2. 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 3. 13, and 13 is equal to 2 multiply 3. 3 multiply 5. Now how to find the highest common factor? I have find the highest common factor by using a trick, and that trick is to multiply the same number to same, and the same, the 2 in the first line, the 2, and the second line there are also 2, and I have matched the 2 in once, and 3 in second. Now we can also do like that. 2 like there is 2, and we can also match 2 with this the down 2, and I have chosen this because you never be confused about it. And I have chosen 3 at this side because there is no more 3, so that I could match like this. Now my answer is, now this highest common factor that I have chosen, these are multiplied. When these are multiplied, the answer is 6. 6 are highest common factor of 12 and 30. Now I hope you have learned that. Now we are coming to the second problem that is very interesting, and you might learn. I am hopeful that you will learn from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see this whole video, and you will be very benefited by seeing this video.